You zoomed in.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna lower the car today because we're in quarantine. So, got the car all jacked up, monster trucking. Alright, get an impact gun, and I think these are 21s.
You know,
or
it's
19s.
been a while.
Is it a 19? It might not be, I might be tripping.
It's not going in.
Is it too small?
Yeah.
Story of my life. Get a 21. Okay, and then pull the whole wheel off. So it's pretty easy, actually. First thing we're gonna do is boop, 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 boop. I'm gonna take off those two, there and there.
This one?
This and that. Two bolts, two nuts. Oh my god, I'm tired. And then there's 3 up top inside of the engine bay that we have to take off. And that's about it.
What the heck?
Got some pretty Fortunato 500s. There you go. Nice. Alright, so let's adjust these before we put it on the car so we don't have to do it while it's on the car. How low do you want to go?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's go super low. Yeah?
Super low.
Alright, so in order to adjust these, all you do is go to this bottom collar here and slide it all the way up. Well, however low you want it to go. So obviously, the shorter this is, the lower the car is going to be.
Right there.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. So from the bottom, you just twist all the way up. Okay, and then we're going to get the other one, and then to make sure it's the same height on both sides, we got to measure it and make the height the same. You don't think these are pretty?
Color's not my favorite.
What? Yeah, honestly, I agree. But we got these for a deal off Craigslist, so we should probably measure from here. So whatever this distance is to there. So from the blue thing?
13?
To 13?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 13.
There you go. We're good.
Alright, now that we have these, let's go ahead and take off the old ones then. So what we're gonna do first is take off those.
Are they the same size?
One is a 19 and one is a 17. So you can gun this side off once you have a 19. And then just hold the 17 to the bolt side. Alright.
All the way?
Yeah, just take it all out. There you go. Nice. The second you take these 2 bolts out, the whole thing's gonna drop down. Well, droop down rather, not drop, but you're gonna wanna support the bottom end so all your old 20-year-old bushings are okay, or ball joints.
Okay.
So get the jack and put it up right here.
Like that?
Yeah, and then just have it support it. And go up just a smidge. There you go. So we got good memories with mallets, right? Just hit it really hard. There you go. Okay. Nice. And then just any wrench. And then, so if you put it like here and then hammer the wrench right here, it'll just pop right out. There you go. One.
Oh,
See?
God.
It drooped. And that's about it. For that, at least. Oh, wait, no. One more thing. Super easy. Yeah, we gotta take that off. Yeah, I think we just take a flathead to it and see what happens. Rizza wasn't very energetic, so we got some coffee.
Why you gotta... I'm guessing it's this?
Mm-mm. It is.
I thought it was a speaker. First time
A speaker?
Yeah.
What would a speaker be doing
I
here?
don't know.
These are 13s.
I need to grab another size?
Yeah.
You should just
There's
tell
a
me
bunch
all the
of
sizes so I don't...
I don't remember all the sizes off the top of my head. There's like 3 that I didn't remember. I can't remember that much.
How can you tell that?
Oh.
How can you tell it's that size?
I just remember. Oh, I mean, I just look at it and I know.
Does it have to be a long one?
Get a short. You can use the little gun for this actually, so it's a little easier for you. This part's gonna suck, so I'm gonna help. It's not gonna suck, but it needs 2 people unless. Nice. All right. Wait, what's going on?
What the heck? Where's the...
You broke it. Wait. What'd you...
Oh, is it under here? Where's the...
It's in the box.
The heck?
No.
It is so much better than
Yeah,
that one.
it doesn't have as much torque. Oh, so, alright. Just let loose on these 3. And I'll hold it. It's just gonna come down. Is it a 13?
No.
Is that a 13?
It's too small.
Are you sure that's a 13? That's a 14.
I can read
14.
numbers.
Alright, hurry up. Let's go. Let's get it done. Oh.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. It doesn't go immediately. Oh, no. He just blew up the engine.
No, it went down. You hear it? You heard it?
You're here?
You're here?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, and it's out. And it's out. No.
Oh, let me help you.
Oh,
Hold
God.
on.
Oh, God. Alright, we're good. We're good.
I see it right there.
Where?
You see it?
Is it focused? Oh, yeah, there it is. Alright, let's see how much lower it's gonna go.
Sell that?
We can sell this? Yeah, we can sell this for $800.
Really?
No. Alright. See, I'm not crazy. These ones came with new ones, which are 13s. So you want to have the bottom end coming outwards and the top end triangulating. Oh, this is heavy! Thread 1 all the way on. Oh, I'm shaking. There you go. Okay.
You're not scared it's gonna fall out?
No, this is good. I was kind of overreacting. It's not that heavy. So you see how much lower this is now?
That's hella low.
So we got to jack this up. Oh.
There's an extra piece, like a spacer.
Oh, really? Oh, it's for camber. That's tight.
What is camber?
When
Camber.
when your wheels are tilted.
Camber.
So you see how these slots are ovaled in here?
Uh-huh.
You can push this in more so that the wheel's like that.
Oh.
Yeah. But for now, and then these are for making sure it stays in place.
Okay.
So for now, so there's 2 of them or 1? Just 1, right?
There's only 1.
Okay. So let's go ahead and slide that in. Get a bolt ready too. Wherever they are. Then
You can't.
wiggle, wiggle. There you go. You going?
Yeah.
I see it. It's almost there. It's almost there. You go.
Come on.
You can probably tap it with a hammer now, or a mallet. There you go. All right, that's good enough. Oh, okay. There you go.
Oh, this one doesn't go all the way.
It might just be hella crusty.
Oh.
Here you go. Okay. Looks good to me.
Let's.
Yeah. Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Let's note the orientation of what this little square spacer is doing, just so we can do the same for the other side. You know what I mean? So at this point we can actually put the wheel back on, since it's already good to go. We'll torque it down later. Okay, let's do the next side. You gotta hold the other wrench. go. Oh, there it goes. We had the Hulk working on this car before.
You will be back shortly. All right, we just I just stopped recording and it came off. So.
I think so.
Or you broke something.
Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that was stupid. The thing was really on there. Oh, you got it. So as you're holding the trigger, pull it back a little bit. There you go. It's one. So unfortunately, we didn't record this whole ordeal because I'm not comfortable with you guys seeing me crying and screaming just yet. We got the 2 bolts out, but in the process of getting the 2 bolts out, we got a screwdriver stuck in between the knuckle and the mounting point of the strut. And then we broke that screwdriver, so there's a piece holding it together. And it was just a giant mess. Okay, now the top one should slide in pretty easily. So since this thing is already like pretty much all the way through, you don't need to hammer it. You just put the nut on and then tighten it and it'll just suck it all the way through. That sucked. For whatever reason, this side gave us so many problems and it took twice as long as the other side. We lost one of our nipples. Really sad about that. I don't know where it went. I'm hoping it turns up. Turns up? Turns out?
You
turns.
were playing with one of them.
I was playing with my nipple and I misplaced it. So I'm just kidding, we found our nipple. It's under this bash bar here. Might have just kicked it. Alright, got all of our nipples in place.
Down.
You can close the hood and we'll get started on the back. This is easy. Here, look at this. All we need to do is take that bottom one off and just hammer it out. That's it.
Which one?
This right here.
Oh.
Yeah. And then there's 2 little, either 13s or 14s there. Super easy. Let's go. I think you can just tell. This just pulls up. Yeah. See that? And I believe you can just slide it out.
See, those ones are speakers.
Those are speakers, yeah.
Okay.
And there you go.
Okay.
So wait, let's make sure that they're the same height though. So maybe measure from, yeah, just like down to
9.
Yeah, there you go. And then see how this one is. 9 and 9?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That was easy. Alright, now it can go down and out. There you go. Nice. Okay, and now the best part. Take that orange mallet and then just tap it.
It's gonna fall.
Yeah, it's gonna fall. Don't worry, it's not that heavy. There you go. Not that bad, right? And then it just slides right out. There you go.
Jack it up.
Yeah, just jack it up until it meets the point. And then just hammer it in. There you go. And then just twist on the little bolt that you had.
Okay, that was easy.
See? What did I say?
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Cool.
Good?
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Oh. Oh.
Now for the fun part.
Okay.
Why did you start loosening my side?
Huh? I don't know.
There you go. There you go. Alright. So tap that guy in, get the bolt on, good to go. A little easier now that you can just push down, huh?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, good enough. Yeah, it should just snap right into place.
Can you hand me the nipple for this side?
Yeah. You forgot the nipples?
Yeah.
And then you can just slam that and pop it into place. There you go. And then just slam it. Just keep popping around. Eventually they'll, like in the middle here. Nice.
Alright.
Alright, let's get this car on the ground and see how it looks. Okay, a little bit of a problem here. We're gonna get some wood. Hold on. I think we might have made a mistake here. Alright, you can lower it. On one side, yeah. So,
I think it's way too low.
that'll be fine.
Oh god.
We'll be fine. Oh boy. Are you good right there? What?
My legs are not dangling, they're like bent.
That's not bad.
Oh my god.
Not bad at all.
That's freaking low as hell. Where's my phone? My hands are dirty.
Nice. Looks good. I think we're done for the day.